What's the meaning of bundle of joy? Bundle of joy. Bundle of joy.
Bundle of joy. Bundle of joy. Bundle of joy is an English expression that refers affectionately to a new baby, particularly one that is pleasing and enjoyable to be around. This phrase is often used by parents and family members to describe the happiness and sense of fulfillment that their young child brings into their lives. It conveys a feeling of warmth, happiness, and contentment that comes with the arrival of a newborn, making it a popular way to express the joys of parenting and the love they have for their children. Overall, bundle of joy represents the excitement and elation that comes with the birth of a new life into the world.